There's never been a better time to buy an EV. Whether your budget is large or small, you've got actual choices now. Cars offering more range and better value than ever before. We think one of the more compelling options entering the market this year is the new Nissan Leaf. And that's why we're excited to announce that this one is joining the family.
This is the new 2018 Leaf, a major step forward over the outgoing model, starting with the design. The new Leaf is miles better looking than the old one, now carrying Nissan's corporate face and a much improved interior. With 151 miles of EPA-rated range, the new Leaf still won't threaten the Tesla Model 3 or the Chevrolet Bolt EV, but with a starting price of $36,200, it is significantly cheaper than most. For that, you'll get a nice-looking and practical EV that has a ton of trunk space and a 7-inch infotainment system that works with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Our Leaf SL also adds the $650 technology package, which includes Nissan's excellent ProPilot Assist system with an adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping functionality, plus automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. That, plus optional splash guards and floor mats, and an $885 destination charge, means our Leaf stickered at $38,115. But don't forget that $7,500 federal rebate on EVs.
While the new Leaf doesn't offer the greatest range or performance of any EV on the market, its blend of price and practicality, we think, make it a great choice. But just how good is it going to be in the long term? That's what we intend to find out. Stay tuned.